This is the Organize Your Life Action Plan. It's Marie Kondo inspired for sure. And we walk you through breaking down that overwhelming project. So you can definitely find time in your schedule to select different areas you would like to work on. And we make sure that you have all the tips and tricks along the way. So learn a little bit more about Marie Kondo method. Our guide will walk you through, get to know some of her basic principles. You could also watch her videos right here. Definitely get inspired. She's what's inspired us. And of course, has been seen around the world and has changed the way that everyone is tidying up these days. So you can play those videos and upload any inspiration that you need to motivate you on this project. Because once you start organizing, for example, I uploaded a few images of wanting to get my cabinets more organized because I feel like we just throw everything in there, and to really like have that zen where you can go into a closet, know exactly where things are, or even be able to tell someone where something is and not have to say, oh, let me get in there. I know it's somewhere in here. So that's a personal goal of mine. So my images are definitely focused around that type of organized space, but you could upload any motivators you have for your organized space. So that could be anything from open houses, other interiors that you've liked, whatever it is that motivates you to organize your life. So going into different sections, we're going to walk you through exactly what to do using these basic principles, breaking it up so it's easy for you to go through the sections. And then at each step, we can connect you with local resources. So let's say you do need some help and you want someone else to come in to do some house cleaning in addition to your organization, or you want a professional organizer. There are definitely certified professionals out there who can help you and do a one-on-one. So all you have to do is click for the local resources and we'll auto populate the people in your area. So I'm here in the San Francisco area, and it's going to pull up some professional organizers that I can contact here. And as always on Life.Cafe, you can save your favorites and people that you may want to talk to and flip over and create any notes from our meeting that we had. So as you're selecting or considering things or trying to remember what people are all about, use this as a nice, easy post-it that stays right attached to their contact information. And all those favorites are, of course, as usual, on your favorites page, so you can easily access and remember what you're working on. Anytime you're done working on it, you can just unfavorite that and go on to another step. So bounce around, do what works for you. There's no right or wrong. Just get in there and start doing something. Watch these videos. These are tips that are going to help you through the madness of organizing. And you can definitely go through with a buddy. We would love to see your before and after. So be sure to tag us, hashtag life for all. Our Instagram is at Life Cafe, number 4 all. And we can't wait to see all the progress and really share with us your stories, how it makes you feel, what helped you. Did you have a buddy? What were your motivators or treats that you made for yourself? Because we definitely want to pay this forward and have this be a free action plan that everyone can do for themselves. And it's a skill that you'll have for life. So definitely it's part of our mission to make sure that people are living their best lives and doing what they're passionate about. This makes you more productive when you're organized and you know what's going on. It declutters not just your space, but your mind. And if you are an expert and you'd like to create an action plan to help pay it forward and help other people do things, definitely contact us. If we'd love to bring you into our network of expert guided action planners who can create step-by-steps of things to do in life and how we can help one another. So again, good luck on your cleaning and your organizing. Keep those inspiration photos going, whatever it takes, so that you are motivated. And as always, look forward to our next action plan on Life.Cafe.